fools? Welcome to today's reviews. If you can see that, I can't focus this because, bro, this camera's some crap, bro. This is old. But yeah, today's review is Drakkar Noir. I don't know why I said Draco, bro. Bro? I'm sorry, I'm tripping, fool. But welcome to today's review. Yeah, I've been using this for like a couple of years now. The notes that they say it has on here, it says it has aromatic, woody, fresh, spicy, citrus, lavender, earthy, green, and mossy. I don't know what the hell most of those are, but to me, first initial spray is like really strong. It hits you right in the nose, like a type of aftershave, I guess, if you can say. Then it does have a kind of spicy type of smell. I can see that. But once it calms down, like it lasts for a couple of hours. Like it simmers, like on skin, it simmers down like it simmers down like on skin to me really fast. I say within a minute and some change. On clothes, it lasts pretty long. I say it would last, for me, in my experience, like when it like projects, I would say like maybe a good 40 minutes to an hour it would last, depending on, it also depends, and also like obviously how close you spray it to you, how obviously that's with any cologne, but yeah, like it lasts pretty good. I used my girl as a test dummy. She likes it, but she also said it has kind of that aftershave type of smell to it. It's not overpowering. I say a light type of aftershave that guys use. But as far as spicy, I definitely get that spice. Like that spice, probably because I didn't spray it directly on skin, but it's fading away like pretty excuse me, pretty fast. But yeah, it's definitely spicy, and like, yeah, I guess you can say it's the woody. I say it does. I would kind of have that woodyish smell to it, like wood. Yeah, so I definitely get that. As far as like citrus, kind of, sorta. But should I smell here? The smell's gone. But yeah, definitely that aftershave type of smell. Like I said, the first spray, excuse me, is very strong. So I'll give it that. It's very strong in that first spray. But I would say this is more for like business type shit. It's like not for like, this gives me like a professional business setting type of cologne. If I was to say like the type of setting, I mean, you can do it as a club type of thing, I guess, but I mean, it could be a date thing, but this gives off like business type of scent, like business presence. So yeah, but all right, fuck it. I'll just do a rating system. My ratings 1 through 5. I would say, fuck it, 1 through 10. I would say a good, a good 5, because when I sprayed it, I don't know, it kind of like disappeared. Like, even, like, was it? Even, like, when I went to work the other day, because I use this for work, and it doesn't last as long. Like, I'll spray it, like, it doesn't really last as long. So that's why I say I give it a 5. Because it's not good, it's not bad, but it's just right in the middle. It's like I said, this is business. But yeah, bro, so 5. Yeah, I'm out. Hope y'all enjoy the review. Any fragrances y'all want me to do, feel free to comment it down below. And this is my first review, so I have other reviews that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be in the same clothes. Yeah, I'm just gonna space them out. Like I said, as far as like posting days, I'm not sure. Yeah, bro. But I'm out. Hope y'all enjoyed it. To anyone who has used this, what are your thoughts on it? To ladies, if you smelled this before, what are your thoughts on it? Comment it down below and let me know. Yay, yay. Peace.